Hi guys, I'm back. So June 10 blooms. Look at that. 15 flowers on my Black Beauty. My favorite one there. Okay. This is the one from Cacti Mania. Lovely. That is from Cacti Mania as well. Yeah, I think. Forgot, sorry. Okay. My Teplo cactus. So pretty. The tiny one there, pretty. Mamilarias at the back. Okay. I have other Mamilarias in bloom. They're everywhere in the greenhouse. So I'm just showing the ones that are here on top. Okay, and then 2 Echinopsis in bloom. If you remember this Hilda Boys, yeah. Of course, still alive and flowering. That's the Marmorata, Echinopsis adenudata. Okay. Yay. Lovely. Look, so many blooms. Oh, I love my Black Beauty.